Empower your business with Saral. Discover our simplified HR, tax, and account solutions designed to eliminate everyday business complexities and headaches. Elevate your workforce management with Saral. From onboarding to exit, we cover every step efficiently and effortlessly. Seamlessly integrate new employees and handle exits with proper compliance. Manage salaries with precision, ensuring every detail is accounted for. Track time and attendance accurately, making payroll processing a breeze. Stay on top of your projects with tools that simplify tracking and execution. Empower your employees with self-service portals for greater autonomy and efficiency. Simplify your tax journey with Saral's advanced e-filing solutions. Whether it is TDS, GST or income tax, we've got you covered, accurately and on time. Effortlessly file TDS returns, including 24Q, 26Q, 27Q, and 27EQ, with our intuitive platform. Simplified GST return filing for both normal and composition schemes, ensuring compliance and ease. Handle all types of income tax return filings, from ITR 1 to ITR 7, with complete accuracy. Generate e-way bills quickly and efficiently, streamlining your logistics and compliance processes. Embrace digital efficiency with our seamless e-invoicing solutions, designed for the modern business. Take control of your finances with Saral Accounts and Billing. Reliable, intuitive, and designed to keep your business on track. Manage your complete financial accounting with a solution built for accountability and simplicity. Track and manage inventory efficiently, reducing overheads and ensuring stock accuracy. Streamline your point-of-sale processes with fast and reliable counter billing solutions. Generate service invoices effortlessly, keeping your business operations smooth and compliant. Ensure full GST compliance with tools that automate and simplify your tax processes. Join the ranks of successful businesses that trust Saral to manage their compliance for comprehensive solutions, simplified processes, and outstanding results.